Welcome to our Pirate Ship Review. If you're a small business owner looking for a way to save money on shipping, you've probably heard about Pirate Ship. In this video, we'll explore the main features, discuss the pros and cons, and answer the big question, is Pirate Ship worth using in 2025? Let's dive in. Pirate Ship is a free cloud-based shipping software designed for small businesses. It provides discounted USPS and UPS rates, helping e-commerce sellers save money. Unlike other shipping platforms, Pirate Ship doesn't charge monthly fees. You only pay for the postage you buy. When you visit Pirate Ship, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface. Now let's explore the main features. The dashboard gives you access to all key features, including importing orders from platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay, comparing USPS and UPS rates in real time, printing labels and tracking shipments in one place. The Ship tab is where you enter shipment details and generate labels instantly. Get pre-negotiated discounts on USPS and UPS shipping. Choose between various shipping options, including Priority Mail, First Class, and Ground Advantage. The Reports tab provides detailed shipping analytics to monitor expenses, breakdowns of costs by carrier package type and delivery speed, tools to optimize future shipments based on past data. Pros: completely free to use, no monthly fees, just pay for postage. Discounted USPS and UPS rates, save on every shipment. User-friendly interface, easy setup and navigation. Direct integration with Shopify, eBay, and Etsy. Great for small businesses and online sellers. Cons: limited carrier options. Only supports USPS and UPS. No automation rules. Unlike competitors, it lacks advanced shipping automation. Not ideal for high-volume shippers. Larger businesses might need more advanced features. Is Pirate Ship worth it? If you're a small business owner, Etsy seller, or independent e-commerce retailer, Pirate Ship is a fantastic choice for saving money on shipping. Since there are no hidden fees and it provides great discounts, it's one of the best free shipping software options available in 2025. However, if you need multiple carrier options or automation features, you might want to explore other platforms. That's our Pirate Ship review. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more business software reviews.